Want to control the read and write access on your data storage? Watch this short video tutorial and master the SMB authorization in OpenE JovianDSS with a few easy steps. SMB, which stands for Server Message Block, is one of the most common communication protocols used in the industry. In this video, we're going to show how to manage SMB authorization for read and write access. To guide you through the whole process and demonstrate how easy it is to manage SMB with OpenE JovianDSS, we're going to discuss various options. It is important to note that by default SMB shares provide both read and write access. One of the features recently introduced in OpenE JovianDSS is the option to restrict access to read only. In principle, you can do it in two ways, either by creating users who have only read access or by adding those users to a group with the same characteristic. Let's see how it can be done. Go to User Management. Remember that LDAP must be activated. We will create two users, Sandra and John. We will grant them different levels of access later on. Additionally, we will create two more users, Robert and Kate. They will belong to one group. In order to do it, we can click the Add Group option. We will name this group Read Only Users. The list of users can also be imported from Active Directory. In this scenario, we have already created a ZPOL. Now, with the ZPOL ready, we can proceed to create an SMB data set and a share. Go to Storage on the left and expand the ZPOL options. Find Shares and create a data set. Then, start the shared wizard by clicking on Add Share. Point 1. Share Properties. Here you can name your share. Point 2. Access Protocols. Enable SMB servers. When you have done it, you can see additional options. In our case, we are interested in Users Access Authorization. If it's set to Guest, anyone without password, anyone can access it. We have to choose Users with Password here. 3. User Group Access. In this step, you can choose users or an entire group and set the access for them accordingly. We want Sandra to have both read and write access, while John, as well as the members of the group read-only users, should have read-only access. Point 4. Summary. You can confirm the summary. Let's see what happens when Sandra tries to exercise her write authorization. She is prompted to enter her credentials. Does it work when she's trying to copy a file into the share? Yes, it does. About John. Does it work when he's trying to copy a file into the share? No, it doesn't. John gets an error message as he hasn't been granted the right authorization. Occasionally, we might also want to modify an already existing share to be read-only if such a need arises. This can be done regardless of any other user settings. In other words, all the users who have such access can only read the data. They cannot write. How can we do it? Go to the Storage tab on the left and open the options for the ZPOL. As previously, find the Shares tab and as a first step enter the Share options and choose Protocols. Here you can enable and disable the read-only feature whenever you want. Accept the changes by clicking the Apply button. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Share your opinion in the comments. If you happen to have any ideas for tutorials we could make, let us know. In the meantime, click here to subscribe to stay up to date with all OpenE videos.